One TV special report.
Sangko lang mga Madam Chair, revisit lang ito ilahang kaning ordinance. Kaya nyo na pinahang i-amin ato.
Mausa.
At mausa. Pero hindi na ito magbalik ba Madam Chair? So nga na ako lang sa decision Madam Chair na i-revisit ito nga ordinance kaning ordinance number
1905.
1905 Madam Chair. Thank you Madam Chair.
Okay. Yes, Honorable. Next one.
Thank you, Manager. In addition na Manager ha, kay ang pag ano ko sila ni ko ay nga isa lang ka kuan ang gihatag diri sa atong lungsod kay kinahanglan mo connect mo sa ito anak mangutana gyud mo kung pila gyud ang gi-allocate sa isa ka lungsod direct population para gyud ka makahatag kag lain nga makakuha kag lain nga ano kanang nga analay pagmoda
pagdesisyon
na imong mapasulod na pa-accredit. Okay, naamo na siya. Kahit sa lihatag sa tuwa kay ang ating pag-base na sa population sa tuwa ang lugar. So, what
Sige.
check na.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Mix doon. This item, move for I refer to the Committee on Public Utilities kay magkuhan mo og committee meeting para sa amendment. And then, please make your secretary to send a invitation letter to Ms. Salome Navarro para maka-attend siya sa inyong committee meeting. Ako po siyang i-message kay amiga man niya. So, maka-attend ko siya din. So, imuhang schedule, ikaw naman magpili. So, is there any other comments about the municipal ordinance number 26 for the amendments? Is there any other remarks? Hearing none, so motion is approved.
Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable.
I move, Honorable Chair, joint resolution in line ni sa katong Maika Elementary Integrated School, Honorable Chair ba? Nakita nato ang commitment karon sa barangay officials nga ni-increase gyud ang ato ang enrollment. Muna nga ibin gali the Honorable Hipolito Akuram nakakuha gali sa estudyante kami from Katipunan dapit Tumoy na adri pa eskwela sa ato. So ato ang magipon ni paningkamutan kay even gani si congressman ni feedback during sa turnover sa eskwelahan nga ngano nangayog two-story building nga pulo ra man diya ang junior high school. Muna nga karon ang DepEd mo ay nag-provide og school supply, so kung aktua siguro suggestion na niya ko mohatag ta og educational assistance lang gyapon ng Honorable Chair in the amount of 1,000 depende kay yun man si Kapitan Putol nga murag naa sa mga 20 ra ang na-increase. So kung okay lang sa tuwa total kung hatag na tuwa na dito ginato na ihatag papermahon kay nagsabot na minisayra ganina pwede ra sa payroll nga kuan ang katulang ng enrollment nga form mo ilang ipakita. And then, kita mismo sa SB mo mag-turn over to sa school during sa pagpirma nila nga gihatagan na to sila og tag 1,000.
So, Madam Chair.
That is for kuan lang. It's either uniform.
Madam Chair. So,
Kasi at payroll dayon gikan sa tunggak nangutana ko kaganina available pa man napamay 150 katuloy atong kuan gamay dili na ta ng personal nga tag contribution total para man ni sa ato ang kuan kini nga move is para man ni sa mga bata dili ni kinalag solicitation. So ipaagi na to og payroll tag 1,000 siguro kung okay lang mo sa akong suggestion tag 1,000 para kay ang barangay po naghatag po sila para lang gyud mo increase ang enrollment dito ng eskwelahan kay atong tabangunon mo gud siya nya ma-close bitaw siya mahimong mabalik sa into dili na integrated school nga nindot kayo ang dagan karon tungod kay nindot sa building then providean pa gid sila og covered court karong school year o karong tuiga. Okay, so I move for a joint resolution, Honorable Chair, to realign from GAC to other MOE, Honorable Chair.
So,
wala pa kay atong kuan tong enrollment.
Madam Chair, ako lang i-klaro mo na sa barangay Bulavista pinakabo ang kuan.
Moto i-final pa nato sa principal.
Wala patay.
Kaya ang gingon 20 ang kadugang.
Total na 20 kabata ang sulod paggamay pa gyud siya.
So, at least ang kapitan
At least nadugangan, naningkamot sila.
nga matabangan ang integrated school sa Maikay kay matingala ko dahil kung ando nga wala tayo mo igihatag nga effort niya siya naghatag ng building tapos maghatag pa gyud og covered court kay nihangyo ang principal dayon dili mo increase ang ilahang estudyante mao na nga enough na pud kaayo na makahatag og educational assistance so thank you Honorable Tampo on joint yes Honorable Melvin
Point of clarification, Madam Chair. Dili pa na ito ma-implement. Siguro ang maong resolusyon,
Karon gawin ka final.
dili pa
Wala pa man talaga ba?
i-approve lang
Pila
sa
kay ang initial 20 pa man.
yes, kay unya ba kay ang atong kong realan gikan sa GAP.
Ayan na tamo ano una ni figure.
Ayan,
Can I figure
ito,
how many students
okay.
are...
Iniguman sa enrollment.
Thank you,
So,
Madam Chair.
okay,
And
thank you.
I commend the wisdom of the good Honorable, the Finance Committee Chair.
Yes.
Is very...
Hindi na ta magpaano.
Thank you, sir.
On joint sponsorship, the August body moved for the approval on the joint resolution
Granting.
for the granting the educational assistance to the students of Maikay, upcoming students of Maikay Integrated Schools located at Maikay, Cordela, Misamis Occidental. So is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, please.
Yes, number 2, petition to request. Letter A, letter of the Municipal Mayor, Stella R. Obastanyo, dated May 28, 2026, for an SB resolution authorizing the LG of Tudela, represented by the undersigned, to enter into a MOA with certificate of Sangguniang Kabataan Council of this municipality for the implementation of the Ascenso Tudela Summer Sports League 2026. And letter B, request for accreditation, the Roosevelt Tudela chapter by its president, Yusek Luis V. Lagura.
Okay, what's the pleasure of the body on this item? Petitions or requests?
Okay. Sports League.
Summer League, Ascenso Tudela Summer Sports League 2026.
Normal na naman yung chair. Sa last pesta pa ng chair.
Naulahi ang
Naulahi
resolution.
ang resolution mo ng chair kay di priority man ang tani sa budget sa SK pero contribution lang sa LGU mo ng chair.
Active na nito itong mga PICOL
Kulang ba?
tournament.
Kulang siguro ang kwan.
Yes, Madam Chair.
I-move na lang ni.
Sige. Madam Chair, letter of Mayor Stellar Istanyo dated May 2026 for the resolution authorizing the LGU of Tudela represented by the undersigned to enter into a MOA with 33 Sangguniang Kabataan Council of this municipality for the implementation of Ascenso Tudela Summer Sports League 2026. I move for joint resolution, Madam Chair.
For joint resolution approved from for final approval.
Joint sponsorship, Madam Chair.
Okay, sige, thank you. On joint resolution, on joint sponsorship, letter from Estela Obot Estanyo dated May 28, requesting SB resolution authorizing here to represent, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with 33 Sangguniang Kabataan councils of this municipality for the implementation of the Ascenso Tudela Summer Sports League 2026. Be approved from first reading, from petitions or requests to final approval. So is there any comments? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, request for accreditation.
Honorable Chair,
Yes, Honorable.
request for accreditation Tudela chapter by its President Joseph Luis Lagura, refer to the Committee on Laws for further review and study on this matter, Honorable Chair.
Okay, thank you. So this item, letter B, request for accreditation be referred to the
Pero mas
Committee
Raymond, oras na ko,
on Laws for further discussion. So is there any comments? Hearing
Madam
none?
Chair,
Yes, Honorable
kung saan yung application ng Chair, request ni Mr. President Joseph Luis Lagura?
LGBTQ.
LGBTQ community.
Ay,
Ilang grupo?
Ilang grupo? Pero Lions.
LGBT, alam na? Okay. Wala, among ikaw basta nga top 10. So, lang top 10 of this, wala magbibota ko.
Rose Buds.
Sige, tingnan niyo. Rose Buds.
So refer to the Committee on Laws.
Mon. Wala na yung saging.
So is there any other remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, please.
Yes, other communications, none. Item 7, we have committee reports. Letter A, Committee on Infrastructure chaired by Honorable Felix Balai.
Ikaw ni Mon.
And letter B, Committee on Laws chaired by Honorable Melvin Levy.
CLS? Hindi mo kung mo rin yung
Item number,
minyo man.
item
Pero man
letter
ako
A,
naman.
the committee report from Honorable Balais be deferred since he is not around. So this will be completed
Honorable Chair.
next one.
Honorable Chair.
Yes.
Di ba na may committee report ani no?
Wala lagi.
Wala?
eh.
Wala.
26.
Ay, wala kay Kuan. Pending Honorable Chair during sa committee level tungod kay wala iya mo yung mga references adto nga mga supporting sa iya ang ordinance.
Okay, so
Pending.
the first and nato. Then the next item is letter B, the Committee on Laws. Doing resolution number kani.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Nelly, recognize. Duhan ni.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, the subject, Madam Chair, is Barangay Resolution Series, number 1 series of 2026 of Barangay Namot, Madam Chair, for other Barangay Ordinance amending issuance of business clearance and filing fee in the Barangay, Madam Chair. So, the committee, Madam Chair, finds nothing irregularity or duplication in this ordinance, Madam Chair. And is unanimously agreed, Madam Chair, to endorse this ordinance from committee to second reading, Madam Chair.
Okay. Thank you. Is there any motion?
That's a motion, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Nelvin Lagi, move on this item, letter B,
Letter A.
letter B1, Barangay Resolution number 1 series of 2026 of Barangay Namot, be approved from committee from committee level to second reading. Is there any second? Okay, thank you. Seconded by Honorable Lorenzo Centillas. So is there any comments? Hearing none.
Madam Chair, pausang committee. Awal committee.
Umanani for second reading. So motion is approved. Next item, number 2.
Number 2, Madam Chair, item B, number 2, Memorandum Circular number 2026-029 from the ALG, Madam Chair, encouraging the enactment of local ordinance for safer cities or municipalities. A call to action for local government units for the ordinance prohibiting the act of being topless or naked in public places, Madam Chair. Again, the committee, Madam Chair, recommends for the adoption of this ordinance, Madam Chair, since naa na may draft ordinance nga gipadala kauban sa maong request, Madam Chair. And therefore, Madam Chair, I move that from this committee report, Madam Chair, for second reading in next regular session, Madam Chair.
Second.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Nelvin Lagi, duly seconded by Honorable Rosito Tampo, Honorable Juben Bujungan, Honorable Samuel Idusma III, that this item, Memorandum Circular Number 2026-029 from DILG, encouraging the enactment of local ordinance for safer cities or municipalities. This item recommend from the committee level, recommend for the adoption on this ordinance. Since we have an existing ordinance, so the committee adopting for second reading.
Second reading.
Second reading. It move for second reading. So is there any comments? Other remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. So next item, Madam Secretary, please.
Yes, Madam Chair, we have also another committee report from the Committee on Games and Amusement with the subject regarding the implementation and observance of policies, rules, and regulations governing the operations and management of the Avante Tudela Sports Arena.
Madam Chair.
Yes, the Honorable Melvin Lagi, naka-committee.
Yes, Madam Chair. Last Thursday, Madam Chair, we have a committee meeting in regards to this subject, Madam Chair, sa ATSA. The findings, Madam Chair, the committee members noted significant management deficiencies, particularly the lack of adequate security measures, including security marshals and CCTV surveillance, Madam Chair. Minors were able to gain entry without proper screening, and deadly weapons could enter the premises undetected. Additionally, essential signages such as designated smoking area signs was not provided. Then the committee recommends hiring at least 2 security marshals to enhance the safety and maintain order. The installation of CCTV cameras was also deemed necessary to improve surveillance and security. In addition, appropriate signages, including designated smoking area signs, should be installed throughout the venue. And, Madam Chair, I respectfully give thanks to the members, Madam Chair. Dili lang kini mo among hisgutan, Madam Chair, kung dili daghan pang mga lapses nga naitabo sa Tudela, Avante Tudela Sports Arena, Madam Chair. And we hopefully, Madam Chair, with the help of the management represented by Mr. Cristobal Ubuga, Madam Chair, nga those concerned with regards to his invitation, Madam Chair, nga ma-address ni soon as possible, Madam Chair, because nakita man God in my personal observation, Madam Chair, ang padagan sa ATSA dili pareha ang Tudela Sports Complex, dili pareha sa mga pag-manage sa uban nga ulangan like Sinakaban o Jimenez. So hopefully with the help of the members, Madam Chair, kaya amo naman silang na-istoryahan sa tanan nga posibleng himuon. Wala naman ko nakalaan atong Saturday, but basin of matuma nila ang maong i-propose sa members, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, this is only a committee report with regards to the complaints at sa Madam Chair, no need for second reading. Therefore, Madam Chair, I move that this committee report committee number 26-07 be discharged from the calendar of business, Madam Chair.
Yes, okay. Thank you. On this committee report, we will send the spot report to the AXA management that the Sangguniang Bayan urging the implementation of the spot report nga inyong na take up dire nga maoy ilang implement kay pag dili nila na mahimo, so pwede na ta magkatag nila og kuan resolution
Yes.
ilahang nga nakalapas na sila pag-ayo sa kuan kanang kanabitawang sa insakto nga mga rules and regulations patakaran sa usa ka kuan
Sa bunga.
bulangan o sa bunga.
And Madam Chair, for the information of the presiding officer as well as the other one, Madam Chair, the members of this August body, Madam Chair, we give copy sa municipal ordinance katong sa no smoking, Madam Chair, and also the katong top list, Madam Chair, even though wala pa na-approve kaya naa pa man ni sa second reading, but naa na sila knowledge about the proposed ordinance gumikan kay nakakatuloging giingon nga maghubo, Madam Chair, kung mudaog na yung manok maghubo sa iyahang na yung ganahan kung siguro mga bayan upang mananaw kay
Ipagbawal na siya.
So,
Ipagbawal na siya
ibawal yun
kay
ako, Madam
public
Chair.
ba na appearance.
And as advised by the good Honorable Campo, og naamay itong kaming ordinance, and then naapoy ordinance, Madam Chair, to those minors nga mo enter sa maong establishment na labi na kay naapoy proposed ordinance before, wala pa man ko ato, para 2018 kay 19 magkugasugod as Sangguniang member, na i-propose ordinance atong Honorable Campo nga minors are not allowed to enter in that Madam Chair, area or
Okay.
approve ordinance.
Approve ordinance.
2018, Madam Chair.
I-appeal na nato og site sa atong spot report.
Yes, tuwa naman nila.
Para natay legal basis nga gitrabahoan sa sanggunian ang kana nga mga reklamo.
Thank you.
wala na
Thank
siya.
you, Madam Chair.
Thank
That's
you.
all, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Melvin Lagi. So next item, Madam Secretary, please.
Yes, letter C, Committee on Environmental Protection, chaired by Honorable Martes Isdon.
Thank you.
Yes, Honorable
As you
Marites
remember,
Isdon.
Madam Chair, dili dito to ang taga-gitip nga naa sila gi-propose nga resolution. Ito no, a resolution declaring climate emergency and the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental, which ato ditong gikuan, Madam Chair, nga dili dito na to pwede ma-adapt. So as na storya ni kanyang IPM Arcani with the native, ang ilan ito nga naa sila daw the ideal para sa national na ilagi para dito, no? Propose bail. So, mo to ako sa kanina, hindi man nila pwede ma-adapt. Pagbutan nag-climate emergency, dili karon sa itong lugar, ang tag-declare. Mga yun na lang nilo copy sa inyong bill para atong maaari din sa konsiho, no? Then, mabasa o madungog sa tanan kung unsay ang ilahang decision po, consider ato ba ni nga i-support na bill. So, ako ipabasa na bill.
Yes, so we have proposed bill and act institutionalizing the protection of the environment rights of children as provided in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, providing enabling mechanism for its implementation, monitoring, and enforcement, and for other purposes. Highlights of the bill: this bill recognizes that children are among the most vulnerable sectors affected by pollution, climate change, natural disasters, and other environmental problems. By institutionalizing environmental rights, the bill strengthens the commitment of the government to uphold the welfare, survival, development, and participation rights of children. Another important benefit of this bill is the contribution to the public health and disaster resilience, cleaner communities, safer water systems, proper waste management, and sustainable environmental practices which can greatly reduce health risk of the children. The role of the local government units in the implementation of this bill is significant because the LGUs are the government institutions closest to the people and communities. Provinces, cities, municipalities, and barangays will serve as the frontliners in ensuring that children's environmental rights are protected at the local level. They may implement the following. Number one, LGUs will be responsible for creating and implementing local ordinances, environmental programs, and child-centered policies that align with the objective of the law. Number two, LGU may strengthen waste management system, promote tree planting activities, regulate pollution, maintain clean waterways, and ensure safe public waste spaces for children. Number three, LGU also play a critical role in education and community participation. Number four, LGUs are essential in monitoring and enforcement. They can establish local monitoring systems to identify environmental hazards affecting children, respond to environmental complaints, and compliance with environmental laws and regulations with the collaboration of barangay officials, health workers, social workers, and the local government officers. And then number five, the LGUs may also provide budget or funds for the implementation of the programs for the environmental protection and rights of the child. Conclusion, the bill is a progressive and socially responsive measure that promotes both environmental protection and children's rights. It recognizes that the welfare of children cannot be separated from the condition of the environment in which they can live. By institutionalizing environmental rights, the bill helps ensure a safer, healthier, and more sustainable future in coming generations. Its successful implementation, however, will largely depend on the active participation and commitment of the local government units, the national agencies, communities, and the citizens in protecting the environment and prioritizing the well-being of children. Disposition of the committee regarding the GITIB resolution endorsed by the Office of the Mayor to the Sangguniang Bayan for action and possible enactment. Upon deliberation by the Committee on Environment, headed by Honorable Marites Wisdon, found some of the content of the GITIB resolution was already enacted by the Municipal Ordinance Number 24-13, entitled An Ordinance Providing for a Comprehensive Child Support System in the Municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental. Here are the findings of the committee. Number one, some of the content of the GITIB resolution was already stipulated in the approved ordinance of the municipality, thereby considered it as redundant. Number two, the declaration of the state of emergency climate change as alleged in the GITIB resolution, stating that declaring a climate emergency in the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental is quite a speculation, taking into consideration the declaration of climate emergency can only be declared through a resolution passed by its Municipal Legislative Council, the Sangguniang Bayan, based on the recommendation of the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Number three, the committee decided not to adopt the said resolution, taking into consideration that the municipality of Tudela has not officially declared a climate change emergency status. Conclusion, the Committee on Environment carefully deliberated on the proposed GITIB resolution during its committee meeting. After thorough discussion and evaluation of the provisions contained in the resolution, the committee resolved to decline its adoption and enactment for the following reasons. One, there was already a passage of Municipal Ordinance Number 24-13 consisting the same purpose, objectives, and intentions per GITIB resolution. Number two, there was no declaration of emergency climate change in the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental. Likewise, the members of the committee expressed that while the intention and objectives of the GITIB resolution are commendable, certain aspects require further study and consideration before it can be formally adopted by the body. Despite declining to adopt or enact the said GITIB resolution, the committee unanimously conveyed its full support for the advocacy and environmental initiatives and protection of the children's right promoted by the GITIB. The committee recognized the importance of strengthening environmental awareness, promoting and sustainable programs to support children's protections and environment preservation. The committee members acknowledge that the advocacy of the GITIB aligns with the committee's commitment to preserve the environment for the benefit of the present and future generations. Furthermore, the committee emphasized that its decision should not be interpreted as opposition to the goals and mission of the GITIB. Instead, the committee reaffirmed its willingness to collaborate and support programs, activities, and campaigns that advance environmental stewardship and sustainable development. Regarding the proposed bill passed by the Congress, also aligned with the GITIB advocacy put to law, certainly the municipality of Tudela will support and abide the law as mandated.
Madam Chair? Yes, Honorable Winston.
I have already moved for a resolution for the supporting the bill. And the second motion is I want the resolution, Madam Chair, no? Ano dapat?
Kaya mahimo. Niya pas mo nakasukat.
Declining the
proposed
declining to adapt.
ordinance, resolution submitted by GITIB, Madam Chair, for
Bayan, 3 years old nila. Hindi na mahali. Tuwa ka na. Laboratory ng bata. Hard to difference. Hindi ka bata. Linawan siya.
So, on joint resolution na sige, on joint resolution, the Honorable Marites Winston move for a resolution supporting the bill to address to the Congress, no? Submitted sa Congress, and then the other one, a resolution, a joint resolution declining to adopt the resolution submitted from GITIB regarding the declaring the Tudela for climate change. Yes, based on the resolution submitted by the GITIB. So, is there any other comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Madam Secretary, please.
Yes, item 8, Canadian Business, first reading and referral of the short. Letter A. Resolution number 8-26 of Barangay Cabulalunan approving and adopting the Barangay Annual Investment Plan CY 2026, updated number 1 for the reprogramming of the program, projects, and activities under the 20% BDF of the current and prior years for the completion of multi-purpose building flooring in the total amount of 678,000.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Lorenzo Centillas, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Resolution number 008-26 of Barangay Cabulanunan from first to second to third, and final approval.
Second, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Lorenzo Centillas, duly seconded by Honorable Rosito Campoo, Honorable Nelvin Lagi, that this item, letter A, resolution number 008-26 of Barangay Cabulanunan, be approved from first reading to second reading and third reading to final approval. Is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
10-26 of Barangay Cabulanunan Bajo, reprogramming the amount of 102,861.06 from 20% BDF of 2025 annual budget for construction of evacuation center.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Tani Lumbay, you are recognized.
Resolution number 10-26 of Barangay Kulambutan Baho, reprogramming the amount of 102,861.06 from 20% of BDF of 2025 annual budget of constructions of kitchen. I move item B from first reading to second and third and final approval within the internal.
Second, Honorable Chair.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Tani Lumbay, duly seconded by Honorable Rosito Tampuo, that this item, resolution number 10-26 of Barangay Kulambutan Baho, be approved from first reading to second, second to third, and third to final approval. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, please.
Number 6, the series of 2026 of Yahoo. A resolution reprogramming the amount of 130,000 taken from the 20% Barangay Development Fund for the year 2025, intended for the construction of Yahoo Elementary School stage.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Honorable Edusma, you are recognized.
Barangay Resolution number 006, series 2000 of Barangay Yahoo, I move first to second, third, and third to final reading, reading our ILP, Madam Chair.
Second. Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Samuel Edusma III, duly seconded by Honorable Tani Lumbay, that this item, Barangay Resolution number 006, series of 2026 of Barangay Yahoo, be approved from first reading to second, second to third, and third to final approval, leaving to our internal rules of procedure. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Honorable
Next
Chair,
item.
Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable.
Item D, Honorable Chair, Resolution number 11-26 of Barangay Buenavista, Resolution number 26 Barangay San Nicolas, Barangay Kamating, Sentro Hulpa, Namot, Barangay Nailon, Locsoon, Silungon, and Bungabong. I move, Honorable Chair, from first to second, second to third, waiving the rules and procedure, Honorable Chair, to final approval.
Second, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Rosito Tampuo, duly seconded by Honorable Joel Bujungan. Who else? Honorable Samuel Edusma III, that this item from letter number 1, Barangay Resolution number 11-26 of Barangay Buenavista, Barangay San Nicolas, Barangay Kamating, Barangay Sentro Hulpa, Barangay Namot, Barangay Nailon, Barangay Locsoon, and Barangay Silungon, and Barangay Bungabong be approved from first reading to second, second to third, and third to final approval, waiving to our internal rules of procedure. So is there any comment, remarks,
Madam Chair.
suggestions? Yes, Honorable Nelvin Lagi, recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Clarification lang, Madam Chair. Ini bang number 1, Barangay Buenavista, Madam Chair. Ini for removal and replacement. Cuma nih, wala kayo kasamot ani Madam Chair.
Iklaro ko naman Secretary na removal and replacement.
Ang dalan.
Road along Purok 1 and 2. Giyon sana, gi-remove, then gi-remove, then gi-pulian. Dapat kuha ni siya, katong to ang, kung sa ganing,
Ito mga daot.
Daot. No? Repair. Removal and replacement.
Ibalbagin lang eh.
Balbag.
kung sa gili na terminology sa DPWH, na Consuelo Guzma,
remove and replace.
remove and replace.
Amo na ni.
So,
Remove and replace.
ang Barangay Resolution, Madam Chair, kita niyo kung sa tao pa na sa mga kuan.
Ay, mo silang kuwan.
Kasi po mga nilana.
Wala kurang pa sa
Kaya na ito nila. Kasi mo katarang po isa kablakan ni Kay. Kung i-remove mo na ako po ito.
Ang terminology sa DPWH, remove and replace.
Remove and replace.
With that, Madam Chair,
Remove and replace. Mo na ni, removal and replacement.
so,
Sige.
thank you.
Okay na Honorable Benagi. Sakto na niya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Bigat sa condition.
thank you very much. Is there any other comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Please.
Next item, please.
Business for the day, second reading, letter A, Barangay Resolution number 2, series of 2026 of Bungabong. A resolution reprogramming the amount of 265,980.20 or 20% CY 2024 into concreting of Purok 3 Bungabong to the Labisan Occidental, the amount of 260,000, and to solar street lights, the amount of 5,980.20.
Honorable Chair,
Yes, Honorable Rosito Tampuo.
Barangay Resolution number 2, series of 2026 of Barangay Bungabong, I move from second to third, third to final approval, Honorable Chair.
Second. Okay, thank you. Just remove Honorable Rosito Tampuo, duly seconded by Honorable Tani Lumbay and Honorable Joel Budjungan, that this item from second reading, Barangay Resolution Number 2, Series of 2026 of Bungabong be approved from second reading to third reading and third to final approval, waiving to our internal rules of procedure. Is there any comments? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, please. Uy.
Letter B, draft ordinance number 76-14 introduced by Honorable Martin Stone.
Hatag.
Yes, Honorable Mix Don. Recognize.
Nauman na ni siya o public hearing last Friday.
Kining letter B, C, ana?
Ordinance number
Honorable Chair.
B, C, D, and E. Yes. Oh, ha? Sige. Okay, for Honorable Rosito Campo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. For consideration, Honorable Chair, ang oras medyo 12 o'clock na. The minutes of the public hearing, kung pwede mabasa, next session na lang. Para atong ma-discuss pag-ayo whatever recommendations or suggestions coming from the public hearing nga ni come up. So, ano lang akong hangin, Honorable Chair, kaya ang oras almost 12 naman.
Start out 9 a.m.
Okay,
next
okay.
session para taas ang kuwan.
Then,
Taas ang inyong atong discussion about ani.
I move, Honorable Chair, defer the minutes of the public hearing.
Okay. So,
Katutanan. Katutanan.
Letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Ang F, wala pa, Honorable Chair.
Okay.
B, C, D,
F and G.
F, at G.
Wala pa man po ang F, so G na. E and G.
E at G.
So,
Wala pa.
so Honorable Rosito Tampo move that this item, letter A, B, C, D, E, and G, move for deferment.
For deliberation.
Madam Chair.
Yes.
Kuha na ni Madam Chair na may wala na public hearing ani. Wala na i-schedule karon. Wala pa sa.
Muna mag-public hearing.
So, para magpunta na public hearing, di ba? Upat, no? Oh, so, nay duha ani. Isa, duha.
Usara.
I think Madam Chair is not for public hearing, Madam Chair, is
I defer.
resolution.
Wala pa niya. Wawa mo tayo sa engineering paano
Yes,
magkuhan.
only letter A, B, C, and A, B, C, D, and G. O, kanang upat, maura siya ang i-defer since the minutes is kanang kinahanglan nato siya yung basa. So, for the information of the August body,
Engineering.
kung pa man siya, after mag-discuss pa man ta. So, next session na sa ang ato ang discussion.
Koy.
So, Madam Chair, pero letter A, construction number 6 of Quentin Dock, so deferred.
O, defer di kay, asa man ang ato ang
Wala tayo business.
si Honorable Kuan Balais.
So, ang schedule natin Honorable Tampo o
Honorable Chair, itong sekretariat, kung pwede ba tayo mag-public hearing karon nga week by Thursday? Wala mo nakapabukog month of June?
Kaya na, kaya.
next week na lang, para bang panding, butitan. Snap.
June naman ron. Basi nakapabuk na mo June kay kung available, Honorable Chair, mag-public hearing ko sa Thursday 1 o'clock.
Secretariat, okay na. Thursday, public hearing, 1 p.m. 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Ma'am Amor, okay na.
Okay na, naka-PR naman diyan. Thursday.
Sige.
Madam Chair, Thursday po, Madam Chair, ako lang pong idungan kay napamang ko isa ka ordinance.
Uy, idungan ko eh.
Ordinance ka taplis bitaw, Madam
O ka na,
Chair.
iyapin na.
Kato sa taplis ba?
Oo.
Mananamig committee.
Sige, pwede. Okay, so ang top list dili is for public hearing po.
Kamitan raman po ako ang taga-dipin.
Thank you.
Dungan din, Honorable Chair.
Kato taplis
Ano na, number 2. Number 2 sa imuhang kuan committee report. Okay, so for public hearing na pud ni.
Okay.
So duha ang public hearing on Thursday. Committee ni Honorable Tampo and committee ni Honorable Lagi. Okay, thank you. So what else? Next item, Madam Secretary. Wala na, no?
Third and final reading, none. ABC matters.
So for ABC matters,
Negative, Madam Chair.
negative.
Yate.
Negative. Okay, thank you, Honorable Centillas. For SK matters,
Yes, Madam Chair, good morning, everyone. Nami seminar, Madam Chair, this coming June 9 to 11. Cagayan de Oro, Madam Chair.
okay.
Regarding on the budgeting mo ni Madam Chair sa budget office. And nasa registration, Madam Chair, na 8,400. So therefore, dili ka ng barangay maka-join, Madam Chair. Since gi-priority man ang skala ng SK, Madam Chair.
Ay, so limited na.
Limited lang, Madam Chair. Ako lang, Madam Chair. Kumita pa kong budget na naman for this seminar, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. For IP matters,
Madam Chair, good morning daw sa atin. Ang dunay schedule ang pag-signing sa MOA, Madam Chair, ato sa trip. Schedule nila ni Consiel Sumabat kung di may weekly in CIP. 3 o 4, ang 3 for finalized draft the MOA dahil pagka 4 signing of MOA sa trip between the IT and the LGU.
gusto na tuloy na sa ACC or
Yes, atong signing sa MOA makumpilay ang diagrihan nga murag isyer.
ay kato.
Oo. Dahil Madam Chair, impact kong LS ni Consiel Josel, murag busy si Mayor na kana nga week. Gusto si Mayor na extend o second week of June.
Ang second week of June.
Yes, Madam Chair. Busang klaro sa nawang HIP, Madam Chair, for conversation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, noted, Honorable Tani Lumay. For other matters, wala na. Yes, Honorable somebody, of the third, you are recognized.
Ako na lang ipapot sa other matter, Madam Chair.
Wala ko ilang.
About this building ko sa Aritsu, Madam Chair, yung karoon. Ay ko si Dr. Bagkat ini wajib daw nga dili sa elevated. Hindi sila gusto mo balik sa una nga magka-size ng gamit ka.
Nakabalo naman sila baan ng pa.
Wa pa na karon nag-second floor daw din. Wala gyud kun
Wala na elevate
pa. Diyan gusto ni Dr. Bagkat 1 meter before the ground floor ng elevate. Unang ako lang.
Kung saan nila siya, ning patas, riya kung sila, o sa kuan.
Old one.
Isaka na gidandadaan kay kabalo na tas baha.
Madam Chair.
Ako na lang ibabot nyo laan kay muna yung concern atong pag-imnaw na mo, imnaw provision yun. Ako lang giingnan si Engineer Rubio, yun mag-agi mo na ako last week, pupupan, December mong gudyapon yun. Pero kung nagulong malais,
Before uta na siya na,
karoon magkulang na atensyon ba kay sayang ang building, wapo. Yung December yan po ng sinabi yung mabahaan.
Gihabog na lang gidaan.
Huwag yan mo dyan, yung sweet lang gihapon.
Mao.
Hindi magamit. Doon lang kayo, o kapasan, paabot
doon ang ceiling.
Ceiling.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Kuan mo
Yes.
sa second floor na.
Si Honorable Edusma.
Sa ako kapasay, Madam Chair. Unsa sa plano, Madam Chair, dapat pag-pre-call lang yung tanan, nakita na sila. Diba? Pero Madam Chair, natukod naman na.
Ang classmate.
Naka-second floor na.
Municipal engineer ba?
So, sa pre-call
Ang
pa sa
tagaanan na.
pag-resign.
Pre-qualification.
Pero nakita ka rin baro na. So, how na lang, gusto pa na nila. So,
Unsa may other option na Honorable Carolino sa kuan, RHU. Unsa may ingon ni Engineer Tita?
Kana karon Honorable Chair no, in addition lang.
Madam Chair, wala po may nag-destroy ng engineer tita kasi during sa pag-evaluation sa Inaw, nasaklam lang ko si Rubio sa office mayor.
Pero sa may ingon.
Nir, nagitong si Direktora Bagkat niya na kung di ko na ma-elevate, disin sayang na building. Hago yung pagkana, huwag kinasay, kitang gamit. Ingon na po dyan na, sige, atong atong i-elevate. Ya, pag-agi mo na ko last week, so, nag-brewing naman di ay, wala yun eh, dili na ni ma-apas di ali. Nagtaon naman sila ang bandol, kining BIM. Nagtaon ng BIM.
Honorable Chair,
Ang saon man, yes, honorable Tampo.
kana bang mga inana ba? Kita dugay na tas LGU dili kay ang baha karon lang ni bago previous pa na ni mga baha, so dapat kabalo nata nga kini nga area is prone gini sa baha, no? May isang hinay nga ulan, gawas kung masito lang siro ng kampupoy dihang agyanan, no? Natali kay baha, pero samtang di pa na masito lang kampupoy, sir pupoy dihang nga area, dili gid paingon ang tubig. So kanang ari issue diha, kabalo dapat gali ka ng 1 meter ubos pa gali na kung mahimo. Kay ang baha sa una niabot diri sa Nilapaw sa sulod sa munisipyo, but masabot pataas pa gidon ta.
Dapat unta na
Sayang.
Naginan mo siya nga. Bahala na unta o wala na si kan floor. Gipataasan lang unta bag ang hagdanan pa.
Kay naara ba diya murag laboratory ra ba na diya, Honorable Chair? Then sayang ang mga machine bag madaot las ting baha. Wala.
Bahalag mo.
Kung pwede siguro,
sayang si kan floor.
di Honorable Paruhino, siya na yung direct sa municipal engineer, wala man si Honorable Balaes. Siya man ang chairman sa health man nga concern.
Yes, Madam Chair, ako na lang yung to direct to the municipal engineer na lang.
Yes, they confirmed you to Juan Antony. Engineer kita.
I don't know kung patabang pa man kay murag taon naman kung bimbol sa kay siyang
Sayang ba?
sayang ang building yun. Pero niingon naman ko si before pag-umpok na niingon na si Dr. Bagdat na nag-request i-elevate gini dili ni nanakuno sa ina tong ingnan ng nagsubay da pag-imo ng program. But karon dising mo gyapon ang flooring kan parehara gyapon sa habog.
Na floringan na sa taas then kuan isod po
Wa ko na flooring sa taas. Nagtao din sila bimbol na
mga tagas nga tao mo sulod di mo sangko.
Dana.
Pero
Sige, pero Chair, ako lang gini. Yes.
Madam Chair,
Atin ako lang di mebelo ni mga concern. Ako na lang gini mo ni sila kalabiro ani. Aron tagal po action.
Okay, thank you. Yes, honorable Nelson lagi.
in connection sa Honorable Paruhino, Madam Chair, kung may mas bukat pa na, Madam Chair, kadang waktu pa siya or magdala siya glitter galing sa kay immediate pang gini, Madam Chair, especially naroon yung istorya nga flooring na pa yung beam pa kuno. Ginaran dili mo lapas kung pilang adlaw kay paspas ang trabaho nila.
Tuan na niya karon dayon.
So wala na kay
Di na ta mag-later, di ba na istorya mo.
isalig na nato kay
Isalig na to, mura ba?
Samuel Marvino.
Pinagaitan sa honorable mix to Roger kay ang friends.
Oo.
Ay dali ra kay na.
Dali na kayo.
Kasi nga tawagan karon dali ra kay
Request
na.
na po, Madam Chair, ka. Assisted by the
Sige,
Honorable
okay.
Marvino.
Honorable Samuel Paruhino III, you are directing to Antony Engineer Tita Cadevero for your concern with the assistant of Honorable Marquez Mixdon.
Maraming
Kay
nagawa,
classmate
balos.
sila.
O man kabalos baha diri nga.
Kaya paspas ang
Okay
trabaho.
na. Sumove na.
Madam Chair, alam ko yung other matters, gamay. I-address ko na ko ikang ABC, Kutsiyal Sitilya sa barangay sa mga kapitan ba kay atong next week naay nakabanggag baka na po dito
Atong
sa
last week.
dapat ibalo ng mga barangay captain na puhol sa meeting kunsihal na dili ikta na mga hayop ng dapigdalan dili tigway ba dili sila pagikot ang daplin iro ang baka
na po.
oo okay para dula ko kung ano may ordinansa dati pero para may kuan ba sila limot ang mga barangay opisyal para kuan nila ba
Yan man, ay na-disgrasya.
sa islit na diskusya sa mga anak bangla
Islit?
Oo.
Norma?
Yahang manghod
Yung manghot?
Magkabitin ko na.
Sige, okay. Noted, ABC, noted.
noted Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. Wala na ilang other matters.
I hope to adjourn from there.
Okay, thank you. That's been moved by Honorable Samuel Paruhino III, duly seconded by Honorable Tani Lumbay and Honorable Rosido Campo, that our 46 na tayo yan? 44th, for our 44th regular session, dated June 1, 2026, will be adjourned.
Madam Chair.
Okay.